the Thames and we can't believe how high the river is. That there, you normally have to go down steps, really steep where that railing is, and it's really steep down. And then the river is way below. And look how high it is. Look at this. You normally have to walk right down here. So even I should.
Midget gem, Tommy's got to buy that.
Oh my God!
It's an omen if you ever seen one.
Oh my God, midget gem!
Crying out for Tommy.
I'm gonna have to take a picture.
See that? That's 1 foot away from the road, isn't it? In height, look.
Yeah.
1 foot in height.
It's moving pretty fast. The duckies are all up to the pavement. The bench is swamped in water almost. I got my wellies on for a reason.
I think it's been higher. Look, this is just...
What a lovely sight. I want to go up there. See this? This is normally...
Don't be daft, you'll fall in with it.
Really low down.
What about that?
There's our midget gem. Can't believe it.
Should have brought waves.
They're waiting for their bread from me. This is a goose. But what's up with its eyes? Oh, it's...
Don't be getting personal with it. How are you doing?
This is where the seagulls hang out. I've noticed.
Say to this, whoever's giving the better say, oh, alright, Mr. Popular. Just because you got some bread.
Dave Gilmour from Pink Floyd used to live just down there. If you're lucky, I might vlog the front of his house for you. Della Pasco, the Olympic champion. Oh my word, what is that? It's a frigging bench floating. Oh my good golly gosh. That's a bench. Oh my gosh. Look how fast it's going. Flipping heck.
What's that there?
That's like the railings, that's the railings.
The railings, oh my god, that is unbelievable.
That is the railings.
Yeah.
Look how far it's gone. Outrageous. Surfing USA. She doesn't have to do any leg work. Look how fast he's going, he can't keep up. He's twisting round and everything. Oh, look, little lambs. We love this house, me and Louis. And that's where we were. Coming up to Dave Gilmour's house. That one is massive. That house is deceptively huge. Well, it is big, but you see it from the Google. It's massive. It was on the market for a couple of years. It couldn't sell. I think it finally sold. This hotel was first meeting place of the Grand Order of Water Rats. The plaque was unveiled by Fred Russell, King Rat Jubilee year 1939. No, we're not going in this one. Oh yeah. Dad used to do that, clean those windows with my granddad. He was a window cleaner. Cozy. We're sneaking down here. If they're all like it, but if it's just the odd one. Wow. Oh my good golly gosh.
The flooding. Oh, I'm heartbroken. Oh my god, look at that dude.
This is Mum's favourite Indian restaurant. Lower Sunbury. The Shahi. I've never seen this before. I've never even seen this. Are you excited about coming up to Monksbridge?
Always am.
This is the house where they wrote The Wall, Pink Floyd, on the wall. This house coming up, Monksbridge, is where David Gilmour lived. Ooh! David Gilmour! Can't film it, it's rude. Look.
You are filming it.
I know, but it's naughty. This is the wall, this is the wall.
How far the park fences out?
This here is normally covered with green. This is where they have the Sunbury Regatta, Sunbury Fete. And people go over to Monksbridge, Delapasco's, formerly David Gilmour, Pink Floyd. And they go see the wall and they have charity. Oh my god, there's a swan. This is what I'm worried about. It's normally filled with green up until the trees. All green where you can go and sit and have a picnic. Outrageous. Swans coming up to the road. This is what's worrying. It's going to be on the road soon. This is normally all green. As far up to that tree is still green, where you can sit down and relax.
Oh yeah, I never thought Churchill would be the main news on Sky. All morning. Yeah, it's just Churchill. What the pain? Oh, what's them ones called, Can? I'll have to look her up tonight.
Little Bobby one.
Listen to them, listen.
I know.
It's not on purpose.
That's where the bench is.
Budgeons, they were saying.
He was saying budgeons for my bread. My little bubbies. What's it, bread? We just went for a walk and I wanted to show Stephen my favourite house. And I forgot to show him because we were so engrossed in conversation. We just walked past the travel agent and I've just seen it in the window. My favourite house is for sale. As Stephen said to me that a while ago there was one, the same area, for sale. And I said, oh, it might be that. But here it is. I cannot believe it. I'm just shocked.
It's been withdrawn now. It was 400.
400.
Oh yeah, it's withdrawn.
David Gilmour's house. Pink Floyd. Outrageous. Garden is completely swamped. I used to have a lovely tree right there, and they used to do it with loads of lights at Christmas. But now they took it down. It said they just cover all the greenery with lights instead. He's got the swimming pool, tennis court, massive garden on the river because he's a big fan of boats. David Gilmour.
We've just been to Budgeon's and we've bought the little duckies, some bread. This is the cheapest one, been a bit cheapskate. And just to let you know, I also picked up a lovely raspberry cake whilst I was there. £2.60, bit expensive, has a nice cup of tea. Off.
How did you stop it?
Press the red button. Hey, Swanee, don't be like that. You wonder whether they actually like bread or they have
No. There they all come. Yeah, you better go and get another loaf.
I know, this is never enough.
Throw it a bit further.
Okay. Hey, what's all that noise, Bobby?
That's it, take it easy. I always throw it to the far ones, you know.
Yeah, but the ones at the front are that. Oh, sorry. Hey, don't you do that.
On his back. Oh.
Oh, good.
Another biggie. One of mine and Louis' favourites. Famous painter lived there,
Is there a blue plaque on it?
probably, during the war. Famous French painter, I think. I need to find out. It's now owned by the Salvation Army.
There's the gate.
That's the gatehouse for it. So this would have been neighbours with Admiral Hawke, Banksbridge, the one on French Street. I never knew existed. I'm finally going to go to the other side of the river where I live. I cannot believe it. Are we allowed to go down here?
Yeah. Shut the gate.
Shut the gate. Shut the gate.
Yeah, the bridge is alright though.
That's enough filming. Wow.
Oh.
So when you come down on the boat, do you come down through here on the boat?
No, you go on the outside, they tell you not to go down. They tell you to keep right on that.
Oh, so you're not allowed down here?
No, it's just because it's too narrow to be viable. It's a bit of a narrow one.
Yeah. So people that live here probably own boats today?
Yeah, don't have to. But the other side, it's this only. It's boat only. Yeah.
These are like the little ones from Jungle Book. It goes, what do you want to do today? I don't know, what do you want to do? I don't know, what do you want to do? Oh, don't start that again.
Here's Mr. Big Bad Swan on the left. There's the swan. I'll break your arm with the ring in a minute.
What?
It's going upstream instead of down, look.
Showing off.
Yeah.
He
What is he doing?
is.
It's like one of them jacked up. You're doing it.
No, he is, but not this bit. He's crossing the stream that is going up.
He's hanging out with his
Clever
homies.
boy. And he just shoot them off.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Yeah.
The Admiral Hawk. This would have been the wall. This is Hawk Park. This would have been the wall for Hawk House.
Beautiful light at the moment, but we are expecting more rain on its way. And in the meantime, people are rallying together to try and help neighbours affected by that flooding.
Look at the bin! Look how high it is up to the bin!
I know, but the bin's feet above the water. There's bins there.
You just have no perception of what, you know.
You hardly have to know it, that's why you need signs.
Yeah.
I want the Upon-Thames sign up.
Lovely houses here,
Depends-
actually. Look at the benches. Just terrible.
Bigger than I thought she was. In fact, she was quite burly.
Stephen, tell us about your new friend.
I'm not putting up.
Your favourite person in the whole wide world.
It's you.
He calls her Kay now, he doesn't even call her Kay Burley.
Yeah. Me
I can go through the paddle. Stephen has forgotten to wear his wellies again. Oh my gosh.
Candice thought she was doing really well having a friend called Kay. Kay this, Kay, me and Kay get blah blah records. But I tell you what, she hasn't got a mate called Kay Burley.
Who's on Sky News?
Who's on Sky. Who I'm just going to meet now. She's a bit late. She's running a bit late, but... That's an example of the dream.
Oh my god.
Well, here you are, with an actual flood in action. This is a flood in action now. So you need to...
This is not the aftermath, this is here happening.
Live on Sky, Kay.
Live on Sky, Kay. Who wants to park in here now? This is so high. Ooh. Stephen, I'm going in. I'll probably ever see it. Let's hope.
How cheap's the bread gotta be before you buy some, is what he said.
Swanee, be careful, Bubby.
40p in Lidl and she still didn't buy it.
We'll get him some bread.
Oh, it's a swimming pool. Go for a swim then, come on.
I don't know if you both saw Channel 4 news last night, but Jon Snow did make it look a bit worse than what I'm seeing here. But again, I've got to go around.
Yeah, I'll tell you where he was, down there.
Up the Leyland Road,
I'm
yes.
saying,
So I haven't been down there.
they keep going to the new flood bit, so Somerset's hardly in it.
See, will you stop texting Chantel? Two Rivers, where we used to hang out and do all-nighters back in college.
I could have said to Chanel, I've been out with 4 Chanels now, so you're Chanel number 5. But that would have been stupid.
Stephen's dragged me out to Staines-upon-Thames to look for Kay Burley. Apparently she was here last night. She's playing hard to get. His new friend.
Just one for a drink.
No thanks. I've got to get to Walton. Simmons Place, where Stephen used to mow the lawn, and apparently the fella was right rotten and he used to call him out even during storms. And Stephen said that if he was still mowing his lawn, he'd have him mowing it even today. Swanee. Idea of how deep. Oh my gosh, we're over the bridge.
That normally runs through the high street.
And we can't go any further.
Yes, it was. Exactly here.
Stephen has now spent the last 2 hours talking about Kay Burley. His new friend. River walk. Stephen is now actually standing in the very same place Kay Burley stood. Very same place.
Go on, start walking then. Don't go in, you lunatic. It could be a big step.
I've got wellies on you.
It could be a big step. Seriously. Go that way a bit. Okay.
Letter of the alphabet.
Can't be 10. K's a pretty good average letter. It's right in the middle. Reliable.
Stephen, I thought you hated Kay Burley.
No, that's what I wanted to think. I wanted the way to get round.
And Stephen, what relevance does this place have to anything?
Well, if it's good enough for Kay, it's good enough for me.
We're going to the Swan pub in Staines, where Kay Burley had a drink yesterday.
Oh, there's another pub there. Look,
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you know about all these?
Yeah. Birdhouse boys. He's dragged me to the Swan pub.
You just don't want to see anyone with a bigger camera than you.
Oh no, it's good.
groovy buildings as well as posh ones for some weird reason. This is a guy who invented lino who lived in Heatham House. This is for all my Heatham House buddies. Oh no, sorry. We're just in Shepperton, we've been to the High Street and the roundabout is completely flooded. Okay, we might go to McDonald's to get some. Stephen has now been stalking another lady friend of his, Kieran, from the estate agent. Wowee. And if he's not talking about Kay Burley, he's talking about Lisa Tab. Lisa Tab. Never you mind.
There you go.
Even the Walton Bridge couldn't save us this time. There's the local people with all the sandbags. Oh dearie me. We're walking over to the Walton Bridge, which is that white thing just there.
And 4 inches is all it will take for this street to go.
Walton Bridge.